Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video tutorial. This will be board number 4 from section 2 in chapter 8, which discusses maneuvering material. Now this is a very short example. A quick analysis of the board would show that red would be prepared to checkmate with r3 plus 7. Now it is black's turn to move in this board. Red has a fairly decent defense with two advisors, a pawn, a cannon, and a chariot. And this chariot, not only would it be prepared to deliver a checkmate, it will also be protecting against potential attacks by black's chariot and horse over here. So it's black's turn to move, and how can black use the tactic of maneuvering material to turn the odds into his favor? So the first move would be to play c3 plus 7 to deliver a check. Now the king would be forced to move to the third rank. Now once this is done, this would have major implications for red, for both colors, because now the black horse will be threatening to checkmate if it were not blocked by the chariot. So with this move, black would have effectively immobilized or pinned the chariot to its current position. So and r3 plus 7 would not be possible at this point in time. Now what would the next move be? How can black continue his attack? How can black continue his attack? Now if he were to play r9 plus 1 to deliver a check, the king would move to the cannon rank, and the threat of the horse would be no more, and black would not have to red would be prepared to checkmate, and black would be forced to retreat his chariot to defend. So the best move at this point in time will be to play c3 minus 2. With c3 minus 2, black will be prepared to deliver a check, forcing the king up. The king will try to move back to safety, but a check, another check, and at this point in time, the king cannot move here, cannot retreat, sorry. If he retreated, this would be a checkmate. So red will be forced to move the king to the cannon rank, whereby black will capture the chariot to ensure a winning situation. So at this point in time, this very subtle intermediate move would be the correct move to make at this point in time. Now, if black had retreated his chariot to defend, he would lose the horse, and the presence of the extra pawn would mean that black would have red would have a significant advantage. So as can be seen, that's why this very subtle move of maneuvering material, some might call this an intermediate move, is very subtle and will be the key to this puzzle. So a short recap: black's turn to move, a check, forcing the king up, and the intermediate move for the winning position. I hope you've enjoyed this short video. If you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.